Hi guys, welcome to Panwadu channel.
We stopped by one of famous place in Lampung, WayLalaan. It's located near Bukit Barisan National Park. WayLalaan is one of famous waterfall in Lampung. Its height isn't too high, it's about 11 meters. The entrance fee is just 5,000 rupiah per person and parking fee is 15,000 rupiah. We are the first visitor today because it's early morning. They are open from 8 to 5 every day. We have to walk down through the stairs to reach the waterfall. The way to go to the waterfall is already good and not slippery, but we still need to keep an eye on our kiddos. We can also swimming here and it's kids friendly, but we did not go swim since we couldn't stay too long there. Time to go back to Lampung, but we need to take a rest because it takes a long way back to the town. Traffic was quite good. From time west, it took a bit longer than when we started. Not sure because of this is Friday or we started in the afternoon. After a long drive, we decide to go to Pempek Judas since we are curious about their Charcoal Pempek. And this is what the famous Charcoal Pempek looks like. So yummy!
I just realized that mostly people verifying good taste of food by shake their head. If you have other way, kindly share in comments.
There are two types of chuko or sauce that you can choose, Judas or spicy and sweet, but for me the level of spicy is still okay. Apple enjoys eating pempek so much.
Pempek in here are so delicious. I ate most of their friends. Those are never fail. Assalamualaikum.
Glad to be back in the hotel room after a long road trip. The cityscape view from hotel's huge window is one of such things. It feels like recapping all moments during road trip. Moreover, we can realize how far we've been through. The next nice thing is showered by warm water. Clean the sweat away. To have fresh mouth and relaxed muscle before sleeping, it's a must for me. It's time for breakfast. We are pleased to eat various food from the hotel.
Apple ate traditional food that Nenek used to buy. Madinah very love any kind of jelly.
Kiddos really love the food.
As we can see, the hotel provides enough meal for dessert.
You must try their waffle because it's so delightful. Can't get enough. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, guys.